Legal Services in Northern California is here to function as essentially the corporate counsel for the entire poor community, and to use the law to empower that community and individuals in it.
Sometimes people come to us because they're trying to just secure basic housing, trying to get access to food, trying to understand their health care benefits. These things should not require a lawyer, but sometimes when they don't go right, they do.
We are all entitled to access to the justice system, and to do that, we need to provide people with competent representation, and legal services is an indispensable part of fulfilling those promises.
As a client, when I came here, they gave me a lot of respect. And one thing that I noticed, they work with me all the way through. Legal services made for me what was impossible, possible. And that was getting my citizenship, becoming a United States citizen.
I'm not an attorney, but you don't need to be an attorney to care about the work that Legal Services does. They help support organizations and communities that I really care about to help people access healthcare, help the LGBT community, help people who are facing homelessness, help with disaster relief. They do a lot that a lot of people care about.
So community partnerships are important because we're stronger together. I'm one person and I wait for one person to come in and seek legal services for one issue. But when we work together, we see more people, we see more issues, and we can work and fix things in the community.
We have a long-standing partnership with Legal Services in Northern California. When we come across a barrier that we can't tackle, Legal Services is our go-to partner. Without Legal Services, we'd be alone.
The thing that sticks out in my mind about legal services is its footprint, particularly in rural areas of California, which are not what people think of when they think of California. So a world without legal services is scary.
Legal Services of Northern California has to be agile. We have to pivot as our community needs move, and a good example of that is the camp and the car fires.
We have disaster response teams who are ready in all of our offices in those affected areas that can provide critical disaster-related legal assistance.
Donations allow us to provide more services when unforeseeable things happen in our communities, which is inevitable and usually the situations where we need the most support.
Attorneys and the community should support Legal Services of Northern California because it gives people a voice in the justice system, people who otherwise wouldn't have the opportunity to have their voice heard.
We have all different donors. We have individual donors, we have corporations that give, we have businesses, law firms, and every single one of them matters.
So it's really easy to donate. I'm a monthly donor. I sign up once online and it just comes out every month and I barely notice it.
Giving to Legal Services of Northern California is super easy. They're online, I'm online. It just takes a few clicks. I did it on my phone.
Your donations directly help us to alleviate real pain and real suffering in our communities.
Our donors are change makers. You're standing with us and you're saying, I want to make change in my community, and I encourage you to stand with us and make change.